This is Couples Court with the Cutlers.
This is the case of Hines versus Anderson. You all are dating and are considering moving in together, but that moving van is on hold until you find out what's going on, Miss Hines. Tell me why you've opened your case today.
I believe he's cheating, and I'm done. I don't want to go through this no more.
All right, so
I love her, but I don't love him enough. I'm putting me first for once.
Okay, so you're like, I love him, but what I'm not gonna do
is tolerate his stuff anymore.
All right.
Mr. Anderson, you heard it.
Yes,
she says she thinks you're cheating, and she's gonna, for once, put herself first if she finds out you are cheating. What do you have to say about that?
I'm not cheating on her, Yana. I work, Yana. I work very hard. I love Jackie. The reason why that she accused me of cheating is the false of communication. I mean, by the time I get off of work, you know, I'm tired.
So you're saying you don't have time to cheat?
No, I don't have time to cheat.
So she's accusing you of cheating, you don't even have time to cheat?
No, I don't have time.
And so that's what you want to show her today?
Yes.
And Miss Hines is like, nope, I ain't having it. I know the deal.
I'm gonna expect the gadget.
Okay.
When I believe that he's doing something, 9 out of 10 times, I believe he's doing something. I just can't catch him.
Okay.
This particular day, I popped up at his house, do what I do best, get in the searcher. I go to that closet, it's a wig in there. It's a wig.
Okay.
So that wasn't your wig?
It was not my wig, bruh. Oh, I'm sorry, you're wrong, I'm so sorry. But it was not my wig. So I proceeded to light that thing on fire.
You burned the wig?
I lit it up. I lit like a Christmas tree.
Okay, did you burn it in the house?
Yes. Girl, I had it in my hand, walking down the stairs with it. Walking down the stairs with it.
All right, I know that was an eye-opener, wasn't it, Mr. Anderson?
No, because he was telling that story. It's a family member.
But, Yana, it's not mine. I did let a family member use my place, and they messed up by, you know what I mean, taking the wig out. She keeps nagging me about that, and I can't deal with that.
You all had this argument about the wig. How does it get resolved?
I had to give her some act right.
Sex.
You have to give her some act right.
Yeah, I gotta get her some act right.
What is act right?
What I'm blessed with, Yana, I gotta calm her down.
What you blessed with?
You give her some act right, what you blessed with.
What I'm blessed with.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I gotta give her what I'm blessed with.
Ron,
right?
he said he gave her some act right.
You know what?
Right, baby? I came back.
Okay, so here's the thing. This is what's tickling me, Mr. Cutler. She set the wig on fire, then he set her on fire. That's all
That's what happened.
He gave her the act right. She forgot all about the wig.
Until...
Do you have any other reason to believe that he's cheating?
He was like, help me wash clothes, Ma. I looked, I don't do that. That ain't my job. So I love him, so I did it. As we separated his clothes, you see this crusty, crusty.
Not crusty.
Extra large. Rolls. In his lingerie.
Mr. Anderson, where did these underwear come from?
Once again, Yana, I allowed a family member use my apartment. I don't know where that came from.
Your family member must have left naked. They left the wig there, left the underwear there. No. Did they leave with any clothes on when they left?
I don't know, Yana. I don't know.
And I posted the video.
Okay, so tell us what happened.
I posted that up there, and then I also posted that he was in a relationship. She gonna comment like, oh, really, this is what we doing? So I asked her, who are you?
So this woman, after you post the underwear, responds. So she telling you basically, that's me.
That's my man.
So I know she had a conversation with you about this woman calling her. Who is this woman to you?
I was lying, I was crazy.
The other female is someone that's obsessed with me. She finds...
Why is she obsessed with you?
I mean,
Listen, baby. Listen,
Look,
baby.
the act right. Come on now.
Yana.
Listen.
Did you really ask that question?
Yeah.
No, Yana.
Your Honor, can I put the evidence out? Because she a liar. He is too. So I said, send me some proof.
Okay, Ron, would you grab that for us, please?
In the bed.
And Ms. Hines. Oh, hold on.
Just hit them notes.
So this is what she sent you. And you know it's his bed because?
I bought them sheets that he had.
Okay, this is not you laying in the bed?
Nope.
Okay.
You bought these sheets. That's your testimony.
I bought the sheets.
All right, so that's how you know. All right, we got another picture. What is this you just handed me?
That's her.
That's me and my baby daddy. Hugged up in the same bed.
She did buy me a set of sheets, but she ain't buy those.
So, Mr. Anderson, you said she didn't buy the sheets, you bought them. Is that really what you're focusing in on? Aren't we really focusing in on the fact that in the picture on the left, there's a woman in your bed who's not Miss Hines, and on the picture on the right, there's a woman in the same bed who is Miss Hines?
The second picture is her. The first picture, I don't know who that is.
But it's your bed.
It's my bed, but...
And that's your shoulder.
Again,
that's where you gonna take me?
No, Yana, it may sound crazy, Yana, but...
No, it doesn't may sound crazy. It is crazy. That ain't a may.
So after the panties and the wig and these pictures, did you have any more interaction with this woman?
Yes. Like I said, I'm Inspector Gadget.
What happened?
I goes to his phone. The same woman told him that she's pregnant. She's carrying his kid.
Okay, this woman says that she is carrying your child. That doesn't happen unless you've had sex with her.
Yana, I didn't do anything with the woman. It's not my baby. It's not my baby, Yana.
So you saying it's not your baby?
No, it's not my baby.
And Miss Hines, you don't believe that? You see it right there on the text.
Oh, I was done, because mind you, me and him trying to have a baby for like 5 or 6 months. We talk about having a baby.
Okay, so you don't know what this woman's talking about?
No.
You think the woman's telling the truth?
And
The woman is here.
And
We're gonna hear from her. Ron, would you please report our witness there?
Yes, sir. We're gonna go right up to the witness stand.
Good day, ma'am. How are you?
All right.
Would you state your name, please, for the record?
Gina Terry.
And Miss Terry, what is the nature of your relationship with Mr. Anderson?
Well, I thought me and Mr. Anderson was together. He never told me that he had no girlfriend at all.
Okay, so how long have you and Mr. Anderson been seeing each other?
We've been seeing each other for like about 4 months now.
And during that time period, no inkling that he had a relationship with Miss Hines?
No, I didn't, because I didn't know nothing about her until she called my phone and asked me, is I messing with her man? And I told her, no, well, I didn't know Carly had a woman. When he came to the house, because he was staying with me, and I asked Carly, some girl called my phone. He said, don't pay it no mind and don't listen to her because she's lying. So that's what he told me.
Have you ever left any clothing items or other items at his house?
No, I haven't. No, I don't leave no clothes I didn't leave no clothes at Carly's house.
No wig, no panties, no home
Community out here.
No
Community.
wig, no.
Did you text Mr. Anderson and say that you are expecting?
First of all, I got sick at my job. I called Carly on the phone. He was at work. And I told Carly that I was pregnant. Carly said, oh, really, baby, really? He was happy. Carly told everybody at the job that I was pregnant.
Mr. Anderson?
That's some pretty detailed testimony.
I see the look in your face. That's the look I've seen a lot of times up here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have anything to say?
Say something.
Yana, let's get it straight. I said, it's not mine.
No, you didn't say that. No,
I did tell you that.
Tell me that.
Let me just start a step back, Mr. Cutler.
Okay.
In the last 4 months, have you had sex with Miss Terry?
No.
You have not had sex with her?
No. When she comes over, let's keep it running. When you come over, we don't do anything.
Carly, we do
She
have
comes
sex.
over to your house?
Carly, we do.
She came over before
the
chill.
Since you've been in a relationship with Miss Hines, has Miss Terry been to your home?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Have you had sex with her since you've been in a relationship with Miss Hines?
No.
If someone calls you and tells you that they're pregnant, you said it's not yours, why, I mean, that's like, well, you must have been with other people, but it's not mine, as opposed to, how in the world, why are you telling me that? I mean, we've never been together, we've never had any relationship, why are you telling me?
I didn't deny the fact of sharing intimacy with her. I shared intimacy with her, yes. But
you shared intimacy?
The time frame doesn't add up. That's why I'm saying it's not
What does
mine.
that mean, you shared intimacies with her?
That me and her had sex before.
But you're saying when you had sex with her, predated before Miss Hines.
Yes, before Miss Hines.
And it couldn't be that she's just now getting pregnant from that sexual encounter.
Yes, because her time frame doesn't add up because I was with Miss Hines. And I didn't step out of my relationship. That's why I said, oh, it's not mine.
But Miss Terry, you're saying in the last 4 months, you all have had a sexual relationship.
Yes, we have.
And that's why you're pregnant by him.
By him. And I haven't been seeing no one else but Kali.
Well, go ahead,
When is the last time you've had sex with Mr. Anderson?
I say about now, about what? About a month now since because I haven't been talking to him. I understand that his girlfriend is here. Like I said to you, honey, I didn't know nothing about you. Kali never told me at the time about you.
First of all, she's lying. When I called her, she told me they was friends.
Here's the thing. It doesn't matter now because she's saying, we were in a relationship. I know about you. Now that you know out of her mouth that, yeah, she's saying, yeah, we were in a relationship. We've been in a relationship. How does that make you feel? And wait, she's claiming that she's pregnant. You've been trying to have a baby with this man, and she's claiming. How do you feel about that?
Oh, I'm hurt, but I'm pregnant too.
What?
You're pregnant?
I'm pregnant too.
Ooh. So, when did you find out you were pregnant?
I found out Saturday.
Just a few days ago.
2 days ago.
Have you told him?
He know. Soon I picked the cup. I smacked him with it.
So all this time you've been trying to get pregnant, you finally are pregnant.
I finally was pregnant.
So the act right has finally come through.
So, Ms. Hines, what are you going to do if it is determined that he has been cheating with Miss Terry or with somebody else?
I'm leaving. I'm done.
But you're pregnant now with this child.
I don't care. I'm done. Don't call me, don't text me, don't do nothing. Don't even come around for this baby.
You have the possibility, Mr. Anderson, of being a daddy twice, 2 different women, around the same time. Go ahead,
We
love.
planned this baby.
Well, we have done a thorough investigation to find out what is going on. At this time, the court would like to call licensed polygraph examiner Kendall Shull to determine, is he cheating? Rod, escorting him, please. How are you, Mr. Shull?
I'm great, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm great. Would you share for the court record your credentials?
I spent almost 30 years with the FBI, spent my whole career in Washington, D.C. When I retired, I was actually chief of the entire FBI's polygraph program. Retired, moved to Knoxville, Tennessee, where I set up my own business of polygraphs and private investigations.
All right. All right, Mr. Anderson. Mr. Shull's gonna tell your story. Do you want to tell your story or you want him to tell it?
I'd rather for Mr. Chills to tell my story.
All right. Well, he's able. He's getting ready to. Mr. Anderson, during your relationship with Ms. Hines, have you had sexual intercourse with Miss Terry? What was his response?
He said no, Your Honor.
What did the lie detector determine?
The lie detector determined that he was being deceptive.
I did sleep with Miss Terry. I did sleep with her.
And you've done it during the course of this relationship with Miss Hines?
Yes. But I haven't been intimacy with her for a while. I mean, it could be, somebody else. I'm not denying the fact of sleeping with her, but...
I understand that it could be somebody else, but the somebody could be you.
Yes.
If you have questions about whether it's yours or not, we can get that question resolved too, because we've got a direct line to Long Lake's paternity court. And so we can make those arrangements for you to figure out whose child it is,
That would
if
be
that's your
very-
concern.
That would be very helpful.
Ms. Hines?
I'm really hurt, but you know what? I'm done. Me and the kids leaving. I'm putting me first.
All right, Miss Hines, ain't no way in the world I tell you to stay with him, so I'm not. Because Mr. Anderson hasn't figured it out yet.
Yeah, he ain't right.
And Mr. Anderson, it's okay if you want to play the field, but you need to be open and honest that I'm not ready to make you the only one.
You talking about the act right, you gotta act right. That's where the act right starts. We have counseling available for you as you all move forward because you all are going to be co-parents. So you'll need that counseling. He has a right to be in the child's life, and that is what's going to happen. And so you all need counseling to figure out how that's going to work for the best interest of your child and your children together. As we say in this courtroom, don't cheat yourself out of a chance for a healthy and a happy relationship. Court is adjourned.